Well, hello guys, look what we have got today for review. Hi, hello, and welcome. If you are new here, if you are returning, thank you for your support. Today we're going to be reviewing the Chic Beauty Box, which is a monthly subscription for $39.99 a month. You do get to fully customize all of your options. I believe you get 5 to 6 full-size items, and they are anywhere between drugstore brand and department store brands. It's very fun. I love this box because it is all makeup. They usually, or at least I have not seen any skincare products. So yeah, let's go ahead. If you're interested in any of these things, then please stay tuned. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining me. Now, I was wondering, I kind of haven't been on Instagram for a minute. I wondered if you guys still liked seeing the little video clips of the makeup swatches and stuff. I just got super busy. I feel like, I don't know why, I don't usually put so much belief into Mercury retrograde, but I have to say this has been a rough one. Like, you know, any type of technology and communication, it's just been awful. In my experience. Normally I just kind of brush it off like, oh yeah, you know, I know about it. It's, you know, but this time, holy cow, I don't know. Anyway, I am gonna start doing that up again. I kind of slacked, and then I'm also trying to think of some ideas to do that with the clothing, with the, you know, the clothing hauls. So it's just, again, I'm like the only person editing and doing all of the things. So anyway, with all that yakety yak, I will be more active. And yeah, let's go ahead and just get started for real. Especially if you're new here, I'm sorry for the ramble. Alright, so here is the Chic Beauty Box. Now, it is a bi-monthly subscription, and you do get to customize all of your options. However, it's been a little while, so the one thing that I do like about this is I was able to fully customize it. However, you know, since it's bi-monthly, they kind of do it early on, and then towards the middle of the month, then they send it out. So by the time you get it, you kind of forget what it is that you are receiving. So here is a sneak peek look at the little box that you get. You do always get this little card and your variation with the prices on here. Alright, let's go ahead and grab the first thing in here I see is the Lip Fusion Infatuation High Shine Lip Fattening Liquid Lip Tool. That is a heck of a lot to say. It looks like in the color Pucker Up. It looks like it's a pretty nice pink. I don't know, it looks a little coral. A little corally. I'm not, usually corals are not that good on my skin tone, but let's see. Let's just take a peek. Alright, so here is the color. It is a pretty pink. Let's see. And what brand was this? I missed that. From Fashion Beauty, it looks like. Is that a thing? Or is it Cover FX? I feel like it has a Cover FX, like, packaging feel. Lip Fusion Infatuation. Alright. Oh, so it's actually a brush instead of a doe foot. Okay, definitely has that high gloss shine for sure. The color looks okay. I may do like a darker outline in order for this to work. I have seen that the brushes do kind of get, you know, a little wiry this way, but we will give it a try, willing to see. Let's see what the price is. The High Shine and Lip Fattening is $9.99, so good value there. I mean, it's fair, drugstore price, that's fine. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is from MAC. This is, what is it? Aaliyah. Oh, is it from the Aaliyah they have? Oh, that's right. MAC did do a collaboration with Aaliyah. This is called Street Thang. I don't know if it's a Frost lipstick. Okay, let's see. Come on. And yep, it's like a little lip bullet. Look how pretty the packaging is on this. And let's see. Oh, that's a dark color. Ooh. This is a good color to put in an October box. Let's see. It looks like this. It's like between it's like a smoky color with some glitter highlight in there, or some glittery shine in there. How much is this? Looks like this is $21, so good value here. And then we have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I'm not sure what this one is. It's in the color Amethyst. There is the color. Oh, this is pretty. Although it looks more of a rose quartz to me than a amethyst, but I do see some purple glitter in there. Let's get some of that out. Doesn't look too great on the brush. Like, it hardly picked anything up. See that? Hardly picked any product up. And this looks like it's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, you know what? That's actually perfect. I feel like you could use this as a highlighter or an eyeshadow. So let's see, what is this one? A Shimmer Veil. This is $28. Does it say? It does say for eyelids, so it is an eyeshadow. Alright, good to know, because I was already gonna be like, okay, now we have 3 lip products in this box. Alright, the next thing is another Cover FX glitter drops. It comes in a box similar to the last one, and it looks like the color is called Lunar. Ooh, look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous. It says Shake Well. Glitter drops. All right. So it does have a dropper here. Let's put it on the skin. It looks like a little is going to go a long way. Kind of looks like some moon dust for sure. There you can see that shimmer. Holy cow, that is very luminous for sure. Yeah, a little definitely goes a long way. I do feel like this is good Halloween makeup for sure. Like, you could definitely create a whole look with that. What was the price on that? This was $28. And the last thing in here, we have a Revlon Photo Ready Sunlight Dream Highlighting Palette. And it looks like it's a quad, because here's the 4 colors down here. Let's see. Okay, that was the hardest, most ridiculous thing to open ever. Alright, here are the colors. Let's get the first, we'll do these first ones here. And here is what those look like. And there is that. Alright, you guys, this was a really shimmery box. So this, the palette here was $14.99. I will put the total and tally it all up for you guys. Let me know what you thought about this box. I feel like they usually do a much better job. We got 2 lip products, and then we've gotten a lot of like sparkly luminous things. I personally won't use that much, even over like the span of the week doing different looks on my makeup. So I feel like this box for me is not as good as they normally do. However, I think the value is definitely still here. Whether it's drugstore or high-end, I always think they do a great job. So with that being said, I do think it is still a great subscription to have if you are new to this. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts were on this time around. And please like, comment, subscribe. I would love it for you guys to hang around. And also follow me on Instagram. As I said before, I will be doing all the swatches and extra things on there. And we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.